Good morning, class 1. Welcome to the EVS class. Children, in the last class, we revised chapter 4, Celebrating Together. Today, we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 5, Our Food. So, please, all of you take your EVS book, page number 29. Chapter 5, Our Food. Class 1, did you all take page number 29, chapter 5, Our Food. This is a new chapter we are going to learn. Our food. We have different times, different meals. What are they? We are going to see today. The meals, the food that we eat, and how many times we are going to have in a day. Then the food that we can eat. What are the food that we can eat? Then we will see in the chapter the food for our different age group, for children, for grown up, and for old people, etc. We are going to learn in the chapter. Okay. First, so please all of you take page number 29, chapter 5, Our Food. The first one. See, what do you like to eat before going to play in the evening? So all of you write down here what you like to eat before you going to play. Okay. Then see, we all need food and water to live. We all need food, also water to live. Good food helps us to grow. Which food helps us to grow? Good food. It gives us, good food gives us energy to work and play. We need good food. It gives us energy to work and play. It makes us strong and healthy. Okay, good food can give us strength and makes us to be healthy person. Now we are going to see the first topic in this chapter 5. Meals we eat. Most of us eat 3 meals a day. How many meals we eat? We eat 3 meals a day. We eat breakfast in the morning and lunch in the afternoon. We eat a dinner in the evening. We should try and eat our meals on time. Okay, meals that we eat in a day. How many meals we have? We have 3 meals. What are they? We eat breakfast in the morning. In the morning, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, we eat breakfast. Then next at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, what we have? That is known as lunch. That we eat in the afternoon. Okay. Then what we eat at night before going to sleep? That is known as dinner. Okay, children. This all food we should eat on time. Then only we can keep healthy. Next paragraph. Some special foods are made on certain festivals. So, other than the normal food, we make special food on festivals. What are they? A special sweet dish called Seviyan is made on Eid. Gujia is a special sweet made on Diwali. And cakes and puddings are made on Christmas. So, on special day we eat special food, special dishes. Okay. Now, we will see the foods we eat. We eat different kinds of food. Some foods like fruits, nuts and peas can be eaten raw without being cooked. Okay, some fruits, nuts can be eaten by raw. Raw means as not fruit. Before fruit we can eat without cooking. Other foods such as vegetables and grains should be eaten after cooking. So there are some vegetables and grains. Grains means like dal. These all we should eat after cooking. Okay, children. Now please turn to page 30. In page 30, we are going to see what are the food we'll get from plants and animals. Get food from both, where plants and animals. Okay, we get fruits, vegetables and grains, rice and wheat from plants. What are they? Fruits, vegetables, grains, rice and wheat we get from plants. Okay, which is your favorite fruit? Okay, children, now we saw the food that we eat. Well, now answer me, what is your favorite fruit you eat? Like mango, apple, guava. What do you like? You write down here. Now next we'll see other food what we can eat. Milk, eggs and meat come from animals. Okay, what are they? Meat, eggs and meat comes from animals. Many food like curd, butter, ghee, paneer and cheese are made from milk. They are known as milk products. Okay, we get food from plants and animals. So we get fruits, vegetables, grains from plants, milk, egg, meat, curd, butter. These all get from animal, known as these milk products. Okay, look at the pictures. Ghee, fruits and cheese. See here, butter, vegetables. Okay, which vegetable do you like? Find out. And you this is vegetable. Now here fruit. Now look at the fruits. Which do you like? Write it here. Okay, children, do you know any animal's name? See, did you know animals such as cows, goats, camels, buffaloes and ox give us milk? Do you know? Have you seen the cow, goat, camels, buffaloes? Yes? Yes, we have seen cows and goats, and some have seen buffaloes. Other things we may not seen. Okay, children, next we are going to see the other food what we need to eat. The food that we eat should be fresh and well cooked. How are they? The food that we are going to eat should be fresh and cooked well. We should not eat stall food from the shop what we buy. We should not eat as it is, and it has to be cooked and fresh. We should drink milk every day. Fruits and vegetables should be washed well before eating. When we buy fruits and vegetables from the market, we should wash it and make it clean before we cook and eat. Okay, children. Now tell me, look at this, think and answer. List the different food you like to eat for breakfast. Which of them do you get from plants and which one come from animals? For breakfast, what do you like to eat? which comes from plant and animals. Discuss and tell your parents. Okay, children. So today, children, we end the class here. The rest we will learn in the next class. So today we learned chapter 5, food. Okay, we covered the topic meals we eat, food we eat. Okay, meals that we eat is 3 meals in a day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, then special food we'll have for Diwali, Eid and Christmas. Then food that we eat should be cooked well, fresh. Then they are fruits, nuts, peas, which can be eaten raw without being cooked, and vegetables and the greens, or we should wash it. And we saw in page number 30. Okay, there are food we get from plants and animals. They are fruit, vegetable and grains. From animals we get milk, egg, okay, meat. These are from animals we get. And the food should be fresh always and well cooked. And we should drink milk every day. Fruits and vegetable should be washed well before eating. Okay, children, we end the class here and we see in the next class the next topic. Okay, children, wish you all the best. Do well and study for your UT1 examination. Bye.